Render might spike 13.6% by tomorrow, coin price forecast reports. To begin, here's a snapshot of the market movement. Right now, Render is showing a daily gain of 0.1% and sits close to $1.674. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. CoinDataFlow sees the price heading toward $1.64 by June 9th, about 1.9% beneath today's level. Digital coin price sees potential for Render to rise to $1.682, an increase close to 0.6%. 30 Rates notes it may head upward toward $1.854, around 10.9% higher. A different forecast from Coin Price Forecast highlights the possibility of Render hitting $1.90, marking an estimated rise of 13.6%. And last but not least, Crypto Predictions predicts $1.999 by June 9, a rise of 19.6%. This one gives the best return potential. We've looked at 5 different projections. Let's continue. Forecasts complete. Let's turn to the probability and payoff. From all the input gathered, the potential market move could be from a decline of 1.9% to a rise of 19.6%, depending on the analyst. Put simply, Crypto Predictions projects the highest return with 19.6% gain in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could earn between $6 and $196 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility perspective, digital coin prices forecast holds a 99.1% probability of accuracy. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. Consensus projections indicate Render could trade near $1.815 after an 8.6% climb. So, here's the breakdown. The consensus projection shows the price up by about 8.6%. In that scenario, your capital could also see a rise of about 8.6%. On a $1,000 investment, that could amount to about $86 gained. So the probability of this consensus forecast being realized sits near 66.8%. At this stage, let's examine the short-term 3-day predictions from analysts. A bearish outlook is projected by CoinDataFlow, pointing to a decline. Digital coin price points to sideways movement dominating this period. 30 Rates suggests bullish momentum will carry the price higher. Additionally, Coin Price Forecast describes the near-term outlook as bullish. The view from Crypto Predictions is also bullish for the short term. When the different perspectives are blended, the consensus forms an upward projection for Render in the short run. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates Render may gain ground in the short term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were released. Let's see how they stacked up yesterday. Ultimately, the market closed near $1.681. 4 out of 5 matched the actual trend. Looking strictly at accuracy, Gov Capital Collector turned out most accurate. Now it's time to break it in parts. Yesterday's candle included 3 forecasts. And about ROI, all analysts posted profits, with CoinLore showing the highest return of 4.8%. Up next is the recap table, a quick look at how all forecasts performed. Crypto Predictions displays 0% forecast probability, $0.442 accuracy, and 3% ROI. Look at the numbers and decide who performed best. Now let's see how Render's potential forecasted return compares with those of other assets. In tomorrow's forecast overview, Render stays at the top with 8.6% in potential return. Right now, Render is shown with 4 cryptocurrencies, while a far larger group is already open for analysis on my website. If you found this Render summary helpful, drop a like so I can keep improving these updates. Alright, bye now.